This is to demonstrate how to make rice pilaf. Rice pilaf is one of the most basic preparations. What's nice about it is once you know how to do the most basic kind, it's easy to make hundreds of different variations. And they're all paella, chicken and rice, jambalaya to some extent, are all versions of rice pilaf. And rice pilaf is basically the braising technique. So what you do is you heat the pot, give it a minute. I have butter, shallots, long grain rice, a couple bay leaves, a little parsley, and water, salt, and pepper. So rice pilaf can be already, you can do variations. You could do olive oil, you could do corn oil, you could use stock, you could change the bay leaf for fresh thyme or sage, anything that you would like to do, any flavor, whatever would go best with whatever you're making. You can use different rice, you can use brown rice, wild rice, black rice, red rice. You could use farro. So I have my butter in there. I'm going to add my shallots and turn down the heat. And now I just want to cook the shallots for a couple of minutes, minute or two, and just until they're nice and soft and a little translucent. I'm not trying to get color on them though. I'm going to add a little fresh pepper and a half teaspoon of salt. And you can see they're already getting softer, going a little translucent. And I'm going to add my rice and my bay leaf. And I want to coat the rice with butter. And pretty easy so far. I can brown the rice a little bit if I'd like to. If I just want some white rice pilaf, you don't have to. And I'm going to add my water. I want twice as much water as I do have rice. And I it's already come up to a simmer. I'm going to turn the lid up, put the lid on, and lower the heat. And I'm going to cook this until all the water is absorbed. The way I tell is I move the pot. The one thing about rice pilaf is once you've added the water, you don't want to stir it anymore. So very important, you just let it absorb and not boil off. And we'll be back in 12-15 minutes. All the liquid is absorbed, the rice is ready. So what you do is, see how no liquid left? Turn the heat off. I'm going to take the bay leaf out. And fluff the rice a little bit. And ready to serve. Little parsley garnish.